Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox this GoPro Hero 12 Black in Creator Edition. So in this video we'll talk about what accessories does it come with, how we can assemble it and kickstart the GoPro. We will also talk about what you need to pay attention before you purchase this new Hero 12. So if you are a new vlogger or beginner to GoPro, don't miss this video. Once we open the box, we can see a paper here saying that for the Creator Edition, it must be updated before you can use it. That means we have to go to the App Store, download the GoPro Quick app and install it on our smartphone, turn on the GoPro itself and then follow the on-screen instructions. Once we update the software successfully, we can start using the GoPro. And on the other side, we can see a subscription card here. Once we subscribe to GoPro service, we will have the unlimited cloud backup and auto uploads. And for more details, we can check out this website. And most importantly, we have the instructions manual here, which show you how to install the GoPro Hero 12 with the Media Mod step by step. On top of it, we can see a GoPro camera itself here, which comes with a protective screen. Since it's a Creator Edition, it also comes with a Media Mod, which is a windscreen here with a little microphone for recording. And in the middle is a volta, which gives you extra battery life. And once we connect this volta to the camera, it gives you like 3 times battery life, which is approximately about like 5 hours. And here this little thing is a light bulb. So once we connect the light bulb with the GoPro camera, it gives you extra light obviously, which is suitable for doing a vlogging at the night time. And once we take this out, at the bottom we can see all the accessories here, and we will walk through what are they and how we can use it. Here's all the accessories come with the GoPro. These two are the standard mount. This one is the curved mount with the 3M sticker on it. These two are the standard thumb screw. These two are the USB-C Type-C. This little thing is the adapter which we can connect with the light mod, like this, and put it on the camera, and it's adjustable. Okay, let's turn on the GoPro and do the installation of the software. Okay, we take off the protective screen. Oops. Okay, this. Because it's a brand new GoPro, the battery is not installed in the camera yet, so we have to open the cover and then put the battery inside. And meanwhile, the camera itself doesn't come with an SD card, so we have to purchase the SD card on our own. Personally, I prefer insert the SD card first because it's a very tiny thing. It'd be more easy if we put the SD card first. So you insert SD card like this, and then you can hear a click sound, and then we can install the battery into the camera and then put back the cover. Okay, then we can turn on the camera. Okay, talking about the SD card, actually there's some minimum requirement for the SD card from GoPro. In order to do a 4K video, the video speed class of the SD card has to be version V30 or above. You can see the symbol here. What does V30 stand for? It means that the SD card has the writing speed of at least 30 megabytes per second. And for this writing speed, which is suitable to do for a 4K video. Once you install the GoPro Quick app into your smartphone, you can see the screen like this. The first step is to turn on the Bluetooth so that the GoPro camera can be connected with the smartphone. And you click on the connect camera here. The device starts pairing up. So when it's connected, you can rename your GoPro file app here. And then you can save the name. Once it's connected, you can see a screen like this. That means your GoPro are ready to use, and you can manage the GoPro for the app here as well. Okay, once we finish updating the software, we can start playing around the GoPro. On the top left hand corner, we can see estimated storage time here. On the top right hand corner is the battery life. And in the middle, we can see a video button here. So when we tap on it, you can switch the video quality from standard quality to highest quality, which captures video in 5.3K resolutions. And this button is changeable by the lens. So the original setting is in wide angle, and we can change it to super view or hyper view, or linear or horizontal lock. Okay. So here is the we can change the video speed here from the 1:1 speed in 4K 30 FPS to 2 times slower, 4 times slower, and 8 times slower to capture the slow motion. And in here, this button is talking about the framing. Here is the right screen, a vertical, which is suitable for the social media shooting or social media posts, and here's the full frame. Okay. The GoPro itself is waterproof. With this standard cover, it's about like 10 meters waterproof. But if we change the cover with this USB-C Type-C port, it's not waterproof, and so do the media pod itself is not waterproof, so do not use it in the water. And right now I'm going to show you how we can put this media mod on the camera. In here we have a lock here. We push it down and then open up the cover, and we can see the mini HDMI port here. It's the same for the camera. In here we push it down, okay, open up the cover, and then we have to take out this cover, and it's very easy. And in here we can also see the mini HDMI port here, so we have to put the camera into the media mod like this. Okay, push it inside and then put back the cover. Okay, once we install the media mod, we can see a volume bar here, which means the microphone here is recording our voice. And on the right hand side we can see 3 ports here, and the first one is the mini HDMI port, and the second one is the USB-C Type-C port, and the third one is the 3.5 millimeters audio port. So we can connect the extra microphone from here, and if you like we can put the windscreen on it as well. Okay, and right now I'm going to show you how we can connect the volta as well. So here we can have to, okay, we take this out, and then we can install the volta like this, hold the camera like this, and then we take out the thumb screw, okay, and then we put it through, okay, and then lock it up like this. And then we can insert this volta, the port in the middle like this. Okay, which gives extra battery to the camera itself. And here's the light bulb. It has 3 different versions. The first version is like this, the second version is brighter, and the third version is the brightest. And right now we also have the flashlight as well. Okay, let's turn it off. Okay, and at the end we can install the camera, install the the light mod on the camera like this, and it's done.